to Maldives. Now this was a dream destination and I finally made it up here. Also guys, I'm not gonna do justice to the pictures and videos that you will see up next because this place is so beautiful. Let's go together and explore Maldives.
Good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Chance for me to learn your memories. Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
Maldives, also a quick travel tip up here. Maldives is a budget-friendly destination too if you do not stay in a water villa and you make your flight reservations much ahead of time. For now, this is it. Until next time, take care. Love you.